Welcome back to our channel.
Channels.
Yeah!
He said channels.
Good night na, Daddy. You're sleeping na, Lenny.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, Lenny. I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Good girl. How about ate?
Night, night, Daddy. Night.
Baby shark. Do 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 do.
Baby shark.
Ah, God. I'm sweating. Sobrang init sa labas today, guys. It's 34 degrees. And pinaliguan ko tong mga kids. Hi, guys. Gawa tayo ng lunch ng mga kiddos before tayo umalis. So, nag-ready na sila. Pinihisan ko na. Hindi ko pa nagawa yung hair. So, I'm just gonna make them lunch before umalis para si Baby Celine kasi, guys, hindi nagnap again. Kasi alam niyo naman siya, kapag nandito ang ate niya, hindi talaga siya nagnanap. Laking problema talaga yan, guys. Kailangan ko munang pumunta ng post office. May kailangan akong i-post. And we actually have 1, 2, 3 bags na kailangan i-post. I'm not complaining. It just means that may pesos mami nyo kapag pumupunta ng post office. But then, yung plano talaga namin is dalhin ko yung mga kids sa library sa Carindale, Westfield, yung shopping center. I've never been there for a while now. Sobrang tagal na. Alam niyo naman si mami nyo, wala na akong time sa mga mag-shop, ganun. And since naman ngayon, walang class si Ate Paris, gusto kong meron siyang ginagawa pa rin. And she really likes the library in Carindale Shopping Center. Kasi meron silang computers. So, nakakagamit siya ng computers. She's learning but playing at the same time. Itong dalawa, guys, na nag-aaway kasi meron silang laruan dito na puppy. And before, walang nagkakagusto niyan, guys. Diyan lang yan, oh. Tapos, isa sa kanila ang nagka-interest. So, sila ng dalawa ngayon nagka-interest. Nag-aaway sila kasi, ang bunso ay hindi nag-share. She'll let go of it. No? Trust me, she will. Like always. Oh, they're good girl, Celine.
What about me?
A good girl, Ate Paris.
Because I said something kind of.
Oh, okay. Alright, good girls then. And nag-share sila. Naku, Lord. Itong dalawang batang ito. Si Daddy Mike ay nag-work sa office today. Ewan ko lang sa kanya bakit siya sa office nag-work today. Ay dapat sana sa bahay siya today and tomorrow office. But, oh, yeah. Nakalimutan ko. Ginising niya pala ako kanina before siya umalis. Sabi ko, where are you going? Ngayon ko lang naisipan ulit. Kasi it was very early. Sabi niya meron pala siyang tawag nito, guys. Meron siyang interview. Mag-interview siya. Alam niyo ba, pupunta din kami sa shopping center ngayon kasi may bibili ng bag. So this lady wants to purchase this Burberry na crossbody bag. Ayan. So pupunta siya dito 2 o'clock. So dapat sana nag-yes na lang ako. Anyways, sabi ko pupunta kasi kami ng Carindale. Is it closer to you? Doon mo na lang pick upin. So 3:30.
It's fun.
What happened, Anna?
Because she's sharing with me.
Good girl. Good sharing.
Let's have a look.
Good sharing. Nagkaintindihan na ng dalawa.
Give me.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga bags na ipopost ko. So, it's good. May naibenta si Mami niyo because it's been really quiet, guys. Mga tao siguro ngayon na nagsisave. This is super nice. I love this one. This is the Coach. Andyan pang aking thank you card. The Coach shoulder bag. It's like new. Ayan. Beautiful. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng size. 25 centimeters lang ata ito. Parang bago talaga siya. Wala akong my flex. Naka-live selling. Ganyan. And then, next one is this. Fendi. Cute ng kanyang kulay. Ayan. Meron siyang vintage look. Na ganyan siya. Oh, diba? Shoulder bag. And it's very clean as well. There. Yung shopping center na pupuntahan namin, it's annoying kasi malaking shopping center pero wala silang post office. Bakit? Dapat sana talaga magwilga ako, guys. Magprotesta ako. Sabihin ko, bakit walang post office? Kasi normally yung mga shops na mga malalaki, may mga post office. So ngayon, I have to go to other place para mag-post and then drive to the shops kung saan yung library. But it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. So, dami ko kasing gagawin. Since pupunta na ako doon, guys, is gagawin ko na lang itong mga bagay na to para isahan na lang ba. So, while nandun ako, dalhin ko itong mga glasses ko. Ayan. Kasi, matagal ko na hindi na isuot. Alam niyo ba? Because it's very loose. Kailangan ko siyang ipa-adjust at palinisan. Kasi minsan nauupuan, nahihigaan. So, hindi na siya, very loose na siya sa aking mukha. Ito lang yung, hindi pa nahigaan. Tapos yung pangalawa, this one, my favorite. Ayan, loose na siya. Kaya kailangan kong Tapos while nandun ako, ang aking earrings na din, itong studs na to, ay papalinisan ko. Kasi yung binilhan ko nito, they offer like free cleaning every time, whenever you want, really. So since nandun na kami, gagawin ko na lang lahat. Tapos library, the kids can play doon. So yun na, lahat na today. Tingnan yung kanilang puppy na pinagawayan siya, tita.
You can make noise. And if we press the tongue, I'll make another noise, but I'll make an eating noise. And I got some little treat. And it's called Pups Pearls Sequins. And I'm going to show you how I feed him.
Lene! Asan na yung bunso? Have a look at the cheese not melted.
I think you put too much cheese or what? Maybe you put too much cheese?
Yeah. Lady girl! Come here. Ate is showing them the puppy. Man, hindi na sila mag-away ka
And guys, if you press his nose,
look.
and if you put one of my sequins on his tongue, I mean, that's what they like.
Oh, careful lang. Lang. Careful kasi my
He
phone.
will eat.
Put in the puppy. Careful.
He just ate one. Eating more.
Ayan, luto na, oh. Cheese sandwich.
The other one is melting. It's melting on there. I want to choose the one with.
That's yummy.
I want to choose that one, the one you're cutting now.
Mm-hmm.
The one that's closed.
Here.
pick? That one or that one?
This one.
That one, mommy.
Yeah, that's Delaney's. That's right.
Oh, because it has ham. I only
Yeah.
like cheese. That name was ham.
Here's for you, Ling Ling.
Okay.
Okay. What do you say?
Thank you, Mama.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Mama.
Welcome,
Thank you,
Princess.
Mama.
You're welcome, anak. Yeah, and then Mama's gonna do Selena's hair.
That clap, clap.
Can you say hi, guys?
Hi, guys.
Welcome
Welcome
back
back
to
to
our
Auto
channel.
Channels.
Yay!
She said channels.
Channels, and ang daming channels na.
Like,
Oh,
welcome back to
careful.
our bounds. Eat.
Eat ate. Ate, she's telling you to eat now. Buti pa tong
My
bunso.
Can I put something on TV? Ati. Eat. Ati.
Yeah, eat. Because we're going after this one.
Ati, ati, eat.
Hectic ng schedule na to. Karong adlaw mga anak. Busy ang linya sa inyong mama. Hot? Is it? Kailangan natin patulan ng bangs manak. Oh, mahaba na ng manak. Alam niyo ba guys, nilabas ko tong dress. Dapat dress to siya pero very short naman. So top na siya. Kaya Ate Paris ko, when Ate Paris ko sa baby. So nakita niya, sinuot niya. Akala niya sa kanya. sobrang tight sa kanya, Mami. I can't take it off anymore.
Look, look.
It's too small for her.
Look, look.
At ito din yung damit ni Ate Paris. Kailangan ko nang lagyan ng shorts kasi maanda din. Guys, they're growing so fast. Oh my God.
And you know what we were doing do you know what we were doing before we gone best buddies? Like, we are snatching the pumpkin.
Snatching?
How?
Yeah. See who finishes it first.
I'm gonna do my two.
I'm at 2.
Yeah.
Careful there, Ate.
What did I get?
Ice cream?
Yes.
If you finish it. Well, you show Mama you can finish it
Mama.
before 2 o'clock. Okay? Okay? I love you. You love me. We are happy.
I want.
We are happy.
I want.
Yeah, we'll eat this one first.
I'm gonna eat.
This one first.
I want. Mama. Mama. What do you mean? There's nothing in there. Mama.
That's nothing, that's just box.
That is look.
Okay, here, babe. I'll take a photo for Daddy. Smile! Smile! Good girls. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, pag sabi ni smile, diretso sila, pusing. Pusing pa more.
It's nearly 3 guys. Kakatapos lang nating mag-post. The Paris is here. Nalabas ko na yung pram. Baby Celine is having a nap sa sasakyan. I transferred her successfully sa pram. Yes, anak?
Why did you get ice cream in the car? Because there's ice cream at Karen Down.
Yeah, it's alright because I want to give it to you there. So we don't have to have ice cream.
Oh. So we don't have to go home late.
That's right, yes. So yeah, park the car here. We will go down this way, anak. Hold the pram. So na-post ko na guys. So that's all good. And ngayon ay hihintayin lang namin yung buyer ng bag na mag-pick up dito. I'm just gonna go to the back quickly. Alright, this is like perfect day na pumunta ng shops guys kasi alam niyo ba 34 degrees today and it's so hot inside the car. Sa labas.
Not for me.
Not for you? Okay, you've been a really good girl ate.
I
Meron pang 15 minutes guys. Ang ganda ng bulaklak.
like
No touching, please. No touching.
I love the rainbow one.
I know, it's beautiful, isn't it? Bago dumating yung buyer, so since nandito na kami, punta tayo doon. See? Secrets. Diyan ko binili yung hikaw ko, guys. I'm gonna bring it in for a clean. What do you mean? It's Carindale. Here, we're in Carindale. What are you talking about? The library. It's downstairs. See, this is what it looks like at the moment, guys. See, hindi siya sparkly.
What?
No, it's not sparkly, so we're gonna get it clean. Diyan. See? Let's go. It didn't take long. Sobrang bilis lang. Ayan na siya, oh. Sinuot ko na yung isa. See? See, it's more like sparkly now. Kaysa kanina. 5 minutes lang ata. Uy, tapos na. Yan. So, dito kami. Bababa kami ngayon kasi doon namin kikitain sa labas yung bayo. Tulog pa rin si ate. Abay, bisilin natin. Nak, wag ka, you want sushi lang? Sushi? Ha? Sushi. Sa library, guys. Kakagising lang ng ating baby Celine. Hey, this way. Quick, quick. Ate. It's just, ay, mga pamanggit. Come on, lala. You know, like, it can close while you're still inside. Wash your hands. Library. You wanna wash your hands lang? Yeah. Oh, wash. Wipe. Okay, mama take it. At least nakatulog siya ng half an hour, nak? 40 minutes. Okay. Dito na si Inday. O, yan yung gusto niya. Lini can come down now too. Mama, take you up. Okay. Go. Careful. Oh. Good job. Do you not play this one as well? Computer na si Ate Paris. By the way, na-pick up na pala yung bag. Alam niyo ba guys, yung na-pick up, Pinay pala. But I'm very happy kasi remember last time nang pumunta ako dito, may gustong mag-pick up. Tapos inindiyan ako. Sinabihan pa ako ni scammer. Siya naman ang hindi hindi pumunta. Anyways, yeah, she's Filipina. She was very nice. So, ayun. Bumili ako ng sushi kasi kakain ako dito, guys. Gutom ako. Come here, sweetie girl. Or do you wanna go there? Say, have a look at ate. Tingnan niyo silang dalawa.
Do not open this book. Ever.
Good job.
Stop.
Stop!
Stop. You should never have opened this book, and I don't have time to. Where am I up to? That one?
Last na. Okay, next one.
Pop. Plunk.
Yes.
Gaga.
May kilala. Ang isa. What are you doing? Ala, ito nagtingin sa nini guys. Pasok na.
Mommy. Beep.
Yeah.
How much?
I want.
You wanna sit up?
Can it be mine
Come on.
now?
Guys, nandito na rin si Daddy Mike. Sabay na kaming
Can it be
nakarating sa
mine
bahay.
now? Can it be mine now?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
can have it.
Mommy.
But it's not a toy, okay?
Mommy. It's mommy.
What's that? It's just a box, honey girl. It's a box. There's nothing inside.
Wait. Wait.
Wait.
Mama.
Wait.
Mom, next time I'll get the keyring this time, but
Yeah.
when I get the keyring, I'll give it back to you.
Oh, you have a drink water dahil lang, be.
Yeah.
Dad, do you see some story?
Drink water sa lang, be.
There, mommy.
Kita ko sa inyo yung napamili namin from the shops. Nagtingin-tingin ako doon ng sneakers, guys. Sabi ni Daddy Mike kasi bibilhan niya ako. Kasi, ano daw, sahod niya ba? Okay? I don't want to buy something just for the sake na sabi niya bibilhan niya. I really want something na yung gusto ko. Kaysa naman, bili lang masasayang ba?
Dad, why is it called mine?
Oh, guess what, guys? The guy na nakahit ng sasakyan namin, ngayon lang siya, today lang siya nagparamdam. So, I think like just an hour ago, nag-message siya, guys, out of nowhere. Sabi niya na, nag-ano-ano ba yung sabi niya, be? Na-shock ako ha, kasi tinatawagan namin siya the other day, kahapon, ayaw niyang sumagot. Tapos ngayon sabi niya, Daddy, I have put the claim in. I'm going to call them now.
Oh, maybe mom, did you put it online or something?
Yeah, probably. So maybe he did it online. So I don't know now, like,
No.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Like, he's saying that he's doing it. He's lodged the claim, but he didn't give me the claim number still.
Oh.
But we've done it anyways.
He lied.
You reckon?
Daddy, on the floor.
Done that?
Like, why though? Today is Thursday, you know? Like, it happened Sunday. So, ewan ko na lang. Anyways,
Is that my water? Where's my
the
water?
main thing is, we've sorted the thing
Can I
out.
have a pen?
Tomorrow, ay dadalhin na namin yung sasakyan to the car repair kasi inallocate nila ng place yung insurance namin kung saan dadalhin for
Give me
repair.
a big
So
one.
tomorrow, dadalhin doon for a quote muna and then we'll organize kung kailan i-repair. So yeah, tomorrow 11. I bought this ones. These are dehumidifier with air freshener. Nag-sale sila, guys. $2 each. Bumili ako ng 5 for $10. Ayan. Nilalagay ko to siya sa mga closet kasi very humid dito sa Brisbane. And alam niyo ba, pag nilalagay ko to siya sa closet, tinitingnan ko a week later, sobrang dami ng tubig dito, guys. Ayan po, diffuser as well for the bathroom. And another hair ties, like just a basic black hair ties for the girls. So, yan yung bilhin namin sa Asian shop. Itong kandila. Ayan. Pang ano namin sa kwarto ba. Hindi pa talaga nila pinuno. Guys, no, sayang naman itong ano nila. Oh, dapat ito. $8 to.
Go on, Natty. Give it to Liam.
Alam niyo ba, pumunta kami ng Priceline. Kasi, bumili ako ng pabango. Alam niyo ba, wala akong pabango, guys. Kaya, ang bango-bango ko ngayon. Did you smell that? Yeah, it smells so good.
Okay.
Yeah, you're fine. I smell it, yeah.
Now, I tried so many, perfume. Yung, gustong-gusto ko yung, guys, yung Gucci doon. $190 man siguro to eh. Ayaw na lang. So, I ended up getting this. Vera Wang Princess. Kasi, $49 lang siya. Ayan. Pero, ano pa rin, maganda pa rin yung kanyang amoy. Because before, sa dalaga pa. Pero kahit naman talaga guys, kahit nung dalaga pa ako, hindi ako mahilig sa mga, perfume. But, I love it when like, I smell someone na mabango. Oh, sobrang cute naman ito. Look. Ganda pa, oh. May mga pa rhinestone pa, oh. Ang kanyang crown pa niya. Ay, princess naman ito. Vera Wang Princess.
Para magawa
Ano
sa Makati.
pinili namin doon? Wipes. Wet wipes. And then, bili ako nito.
Linis tayo?
Natural deodorant. Daddy. Sukin. And then we went to Big W. Tingnan nyo guys, bumili ako ng Ovaltine. This brings back memories, childhood memories.
Wait, guys, this is real?
Andes for Paris.
Yes, is it real?
Wala sa bigay lang.
Yeah.
Ano naman siguro? Pumunta kami ng Target. Iniwan nila sa sasakyan. I bought Paris and Celine like the flat shoes. Pang daily nila ba? Iniwan nila sa sasakyan. And then, ayan, bumili ako nito doon sa honey chicken, pork, and then rice. Ito yung kakainin pa, hindi na kami nabutan.
Utang na.
Of course, yung dahilan kung bakit ako pumunta doon kanina, di ba?
Dari ba?
Na-clean na siya.
Ah.
And they also adjusted it. Ayan. So, masusuot ko na sila ulit. May tatlo kasi itong glasses ko, guys.
Bubble?
Dari
Ito
babo?
yung square.
Divan?
Grabe yung grado. Ito yung pinakamatanda na, guys. Pero ito yung gamit ko all the time. Like, I think I've had this one since Melbourne days. So, when I was still working pa doon. Sobrang tagal na nito. But, you know, it's a good buy, this one. And then, bumili ako ng cookies. Rubbish. All rubbish here. Mga sapatos ng mga kids. I'll just put things away. Pakainin ko na itong mga kiddos.
The big one! Yes! Daddy!
Maraming sa bag ko doon, guys. Sabi nila super cute daw.
Oh,
Make a mask!
Ito yung gamit ko today.
oh, lady, look.
Beautiful.
Playing.
Yummy. Me. And guys, I want to trick you. Yes. It's candy or not candy. It's actually real candy. I'm going to eat it. Me. Not tricked ya.
Huh?
It's fake candy. It's candy.
No.
I mean, fake real food. It's candy.
Oh no! Good.
Good night na, Daddy. You're sleeping na, Lenny.
Night, Daddy.
Bye, Lenny, I love you.
I you, Daddy.
Good girl. How about ate?
Night, Daddy. Don't worry. Don't worry, Daddy.
Hey, brush your teeth after that, okay? And then you come to bed. Okay, come on, let's go. Go to bed.
Okay.
Hindi na yan siya, guys. Hindi, tulog na yan siya. Highlight na.
Nini.
Yeah, do you wanna say good night, guys?
Night.
Guys. Say guys.
Guys.
See you tomorrow.
Mouse.
Say see you tomorrow.
Mouse.
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 Say see you
Shoulder.
tomorrow.
Monos.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today's vlog. We'll see you on our vlog tomorrow, guys. We're taking the car to get a quote.
Yeah.
Repair quote in the morning, so we will vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you, guys.
Guys.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.